Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and today we are going to show you how to set up a cost per lead target here in the Facebook Ads Manager. This is a frequently asked beginners question for people that are new to the platform, and it's one that's actually quite simple to set up once you know how to do it. To get started, click on the green Create button for a new campaign. Click on the Leads Campaign Objective and click on the blue Continue button at the bottom. From here, we want to go to the budget section and click on Ad Set Budget and unselect Share some of your budget with other ad sets. We want to then navigate to the Ad Set section up in the left-hand menu bar. Now, from here, we have the option to choose from which conversion location we want to go to. I recommend you make sure that you have a single destination that people go to. And then we want to click on Performance Goal, Maximize Number of Leads. Now, once that has appeared, you will see a Cost per Result Goal section appear, and we want to click on the pencil button on the right-hand side of this. And this is now your chance to set up the target cost per lead goal that you want to try and achieve for your business. So in this example, I have just entered in $25 as the cost per result goal that I want for every lead generated, because that is a cost-effective range for me based on my overall conversion rate from leads turning into customers. And hey presto, that's all there is to it, to setting up a target cost per lead goal. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below and have a fantastic day.